Deep in the mountain valleys of Shizuoka, Japan, where the air is cold, the water is pure, and sunlight barely reaches the forest floor. This is Wasabia japonica, Kolush, real wasabi, not the green paste served in most sushi restaurants around the world. Notice the texture of the real wasabi on the left, earthy and vibrant, a stark contrast to the artificial dyes and horseradish powder on the right.
True wasabi grows in only a handful of places on Earth, primarily the Izu Peninsula, the Azuma Mountains,
Sawa wasabi, or stream wasabi, is grown in mountain streams where water temperature stays between 10 and 15 degrees Celsius year-round.
The secret is the water. Japanese mountain streams filter through volcanic rock for decades before emerging. Wasabi cultivation in Japan began over 400 years ago in the mountain village of Utogi-fi, and the methods have barely changed since. Building a wasabi farm is not like planting a vegetable garden. It requires engineering a perfect replica of the plant's natural riverbed habitat. So, each terrace bed is carefully leveled and layered. Gravel at the bottom for drainage, clean river sand above. Of course, wasabi plants are extremely sensitive to direct sunlight. In natural settings, they grow under the canopy of mountain forests.
Temperature monitoring is daily work for Japanese wasabi farmers. Even a few degrees of warming, from a hot summer or a changed water source.
Beneath the surface, the wasabi root system grips the gravel with thin white roots, while the rhizome, the prized part of the plant, grows horizontally just above the gravel line. The mountain water that flows through a wasabi farm supports an entire ecosystem. Stream insects, mosses, and native fish share the habitat with the plants. Wasabi is almost never grown from seed. Instead, farmers propagate new plants by separating small side shoots. Each parent plant may produce 3 to 8 of these offshoots per season. The offshoots are carefully removed, roots trimmed, and
once transplanted into the stream bed, the young wasabi plant begins anchoring its roots into the gravel within days, drawing nutrients from the mineral-rich mountain water.
Predators. Wasabi does produce seeds mound, but they are notoriously difficult to germinate. Seeds lose viability within an hour of
contentious. Some larger farms now maintain dedicated nursery facilities, where wasabi seedlings are germinated under controlled conditions.
A well-managed wasabi farm operates as a rotating system. New plantings every few months ensure a continuous harvest cycle.
Planting wasabi is still done entirely by hand. There is no machine capable of the delicacy required to set each plant correctly in a flowing stream bed. Unlike most crops, wasabi actually thrives in winter. The cold mountain water keeps temperatures ideal.
The entire Shizuoka wasabi industry covers only about 300 hectares, smaller than many single corn farms in the American zones. From transplanting to harvest, real wasabi takes 18 to 24 months to mature. This
Each bump on the surface of the wasabi rhizome is a leaf scar, a place where a leaf once attached and fell. At maturity, the wasabi plant's large leaves form a dense canopy that actually shades the water surface beneath, helping water quality directly determines rhizome quality. Wasabi grown in pure cold mountain streams develops a dense,
Wasabi plants require constant attention. Diseased or yellowing leaves must be removed immediately.
Wasabi feeds almost entirely through its root system, absorbing dissolved minerals directly from mountain spring water. After 18 months, a well-grown Wasabia japonica rhizome reaches 12 to 18 centimeters in length and about 3 centimeters in.
As you can see, the young plants here are much lighter green, but over there, the mature wasabi is ready for harvest. It takes about 2 years.
Eight months. While a head of lettuce grows in 30 days and a tomato in 60, real wasabi demands a year and a half of perfect mountain. After 18 months of waiting, harvest day requires the farmer's full judgment. There are no machines and no electronic. The entire plant is harvested. Roots, rhizome, petiole stems, and leaves, Nothing is wasted. Each harvested wasabi rhizome is immediately washed in the same mountain stream water it grew in, and the cold water preserves the delicate. The most prized wasabi rhizomes come from plants grown for 24 months or longer. The extended growing time concentrates the glucosinolate Freshly harvested wasabi rhizomes must be kept cold and moist at all times. Without refrigeration, they begin losing potency within 24 hours of harvest.
After harvest, the terrace bed is carefully raked and prepared for the next planting cycle. A new set of wakime offshoot.
To release real wasabi's full flavor and heat, the rhizome must be grated on a traditional sharkskin grater, called a samegawa oroshi. Freshly grated real wasabi reaches peak flavor and heat within 3 to 5 minutes of grating. After 15 minutes, the volatile compounds begin to evaporate. In Japan's finest restaurants, wasabi is grated fresh for each individual serving. A single risami, costing between
In Tokyo's wholesale fish markets, fresh wasabi rhizomes are sold by grade and growing region. Shizuoka Prefecture. Properly stored in a damp cloth in the refrigerator, a fresh wasabi rhizome will stay flavorful for up to 3 weeks, a grating only as much as needed for each use.
Keep the pressure even and slow.
Good.
Is this enough for the visitors, Father?
Wasabi's role in Japanese cuisine is not merely heat. Its antimicrobial properties inhibit bacteria growth on raw fish.
The total area of real wasabi cultivation in Japan is roughly 300 hectares.
Fresh Wasabia japonica rhizomes sell at wholesale for $160 to $250 per kilogram, making real wasabi gram for gram more expensive than silver.
This wasabi is freshly grated, complementing the tuna's sweetness. Ah, exquisite. Thank you, chef.
The green paste served in 99% of sushi restaurants outside Japan, tan, and even many inside Japan, tud, contains 0 incense. Horseradish and wasabi both contain isothiocyanate compounds, which is why the substitution works. But real wasabi's flavor is more complex.
Japan's largest wasabi operation, the Daio Wasabi Farm in Azumi no Nagano, covers 15 hectares and has been
Outside Japan, small wasabi farms now operate in Oregon, British Columbia, New Zealand, and the UK.
Wasabi farming in Japan is a cultural inheritance as much as an agricultural practice. Many Shizuoka farming families have cultivated the same mountains.
But Japan's wasabi industry faces a generational challenge. As young people leave rural mountain villages for cities,
Real wasabi, grown in mountain streams, tended by hand, harvested after 2 years of patience.